Hi kiddies, in this video we are going to see the drawing of red panda and also some facts about red pandas. Yeah, let's go. Fact number 1. Red panda is a wild mammal. Fact number 2. Red pandas are the first panda and original panda. Fact number 3. They are not related to giant pandas. Fact number 4. A red panda's diet is 98% of bamboos. Fact number 5. Red pandas have many names like firefox, red bear cat bear, and lizard panda. Fact number 6. Red pandas are kind like cats and bears. Fact number 7. Red pandas are carnivores. Fact number 8. Red pandas have a false thumb. Fact number 9. They spend 2/3 of the day to sleep. Fact number 10. Red pandas sleep in their tail and they use tail as a blanket. Fact number 11. Red pandas quack like a duck. Fact number 12. The color of red helps them camouflage. Fact number 13. Red pandas glow in the dark. Fact number 14. Red pandas stand on their hind legs. Fact number 15. Red pandas can live up to 15 years. Fact number 16. Red pandas are expert tree climbers. Fact number 17. Red pandas prefer the solo life. Fact number 18. Red pandas love snow. Fact number 19. They use their whiskers to see in the dark. Fact number 20. Red pandas communicate with tweets and whistles. I hope you like this video. If you are, then hit the like button to this video and do subscribe for our channel to get more drawings with some informations. Thank you. Bye-bye.